Alright, welcome back everyone, it's Julian Crypto. Right now Bitcoin costs more than $30,200 and on linear chart we see that still there is a space, it seems to be a space for little rise until around $31,000 and $500. But remember, nothing here is a financial advice, this is only my opinion, but let's start from news on the crypto market. Developers propose hierarchical channels for the Lightning Network to solve scalability issues. Hierarchical channels allows for flexible off-chain resizing of channels, enabling quick and cheap resizing. It could help overcome the biggest limitations on the Lightning Network without introducing additional delays, adding cost, and limiting scalability. This is the article, nice for Bitcoin Lightning Network. And next article is from New York Times, and New York Times is writing bad about Bitcoin electricity. And this is the comment from CoinDesk. CoinDesk is commenting like this: the New York Times published an article on the energy cost of Bitcoin mining that stretches the actual findings to fit a conclusion handed down from higher ups. The article focused on failures in a specific load balancing incentive program in Texas, which is available to customers in any industry, but the Times takes the issue only with its use by Bitcoin miners. The real problem is that Bitcoin mining has no inherent upper bound, but the article relies on the implicit argument that Bitcoin has no fundamental utility. The piece's real goal is to advance an agenda, finding the most maniacal, ominous sounding possible way to describe being an electricity consumer. And what I found, of course, Bitcoin is using more electricity than Sweden, the United Arab Emirates, Argentina, and etc. But Bitcoin is also using much less electricity than banking system. For example, I found this chart, and in my opinion, this is not good data, because I see that here that Bitcoin is using around half of that which is used by banking system, but much less people than a half are using Bitcoin than a banking system. Most of people are using banking system in the world, but only few percent are using Bitcoin. And this table is showing, in my opinion, much better how Bitcoin mining electricity should be compared to banking system, all expenses and banking system electricity use. So look at this, more than $1,870 billion is banking system all expenses versus $0.79 billion by Bitcoin mining. So right now, this comparison, in my opinion, is much more true, because Bitcoin mining and Bitcoin usage is still much less than a banking system. And for now, it's probably good, because we are at the beginning. But look at this, cloud computing. Everybody is using cloud computing, but nobody is saying that, cloud computing is using too much electricity. But cloud computing is using more electricity than India, Germany, or Canada. So, is Bitcoin really so bad? Probably not. Next is warning. Be aware that there are many hackers around the different websites. They want to steal your keys, they want to steal your private keys and cryptocurrencies. And they want you to download something to your computer so they can follow you, they can monitor what you are screening, and they can copy what you are pasting. So be aware, don't download any kind of software you are not 100% sure. But today also we will see the Shanghai upgrade in 22 hours. Shanghai upgrade on ETH. Right now ETH is on a big downtrend. So my question is, when will be the best time to buy the fear? Because right now it seems there is some fear on a Bitcoin price. And I like to buy fear. I like to buy fear at the dips. Tell me in the comments, what price levels are you looking for, are you searching for? In my opinion, that might be around this ETH to BTC, but this is only a speculation. I will be observing data and the market at real time and analyzing and deciding by emotions. Not by my emotions, but by observing people's emotions. So I'm waiting. Max Data app is showing that CPI is today, so be prepared, because CPI, Consumer Price Index, if it will be higher than speculation, the Bitcoin price might go lower, and it will be much lower than a speculation. The Bitcoin price might go even higher. Next is tweet analysis, because Radix tweeted that the marketplace update occurred. We are pleased, they tweeted, to announce that Gate.io has added XRD perpetuals to its marketplace, and just after that tweet their token rose more than 6% in just 4 hours, and we are searching for such information, guys. So in my opinion, it's really it's great tool. I'm using it. What I'm using, I'm using that Twitter bot on Max Data app. I'm showing you only this. All right, let's take a look. I'm using this Twitter bot. I'm using this bot which is searching Twitter to find most impactful tweets. Impactful on Bitcoin, impactful on altcoins. You can write your own rules or use predefined rules. And right now users of Max Data are using it and testing this bot, and in my opinion, really good tool. Why? Because, for example, yesterday we had an alert because Binance posted a tweet that they want to delist several tokens, QLC, NUPL and Auto. And look at their price. Just after that tweet, just after we get alert, they felt 44% in just few hours, 54% in just few hours, and 49%. So people were tweeting just after that. They were lost their money. QLC delisted Binance, lost all my funds, somebody tweeted. CZ Binance, what's happened to NUPL? Bro, I lost my life savings. CryptoBank tweeted. Lexotit tweeted, or many others. There's no justification for bomb in a public place. Fella, you're lost if you think there is. People are tweeting that they lost their life savings. In my opinion, of course, this is not wise to keep your life savings in altcoins or one altcoins only. But anyway, people are losing. And this bot, and I will refresh it, yes, and this bot is created to not lose our money. If we have altcoins, we can save. We can probably sell the altcoins before they are going down, or if we don't have such altcoins. And for example, Binance is doing the opposite. Binance is listing something. In the opposite, we can earn on this. Alright guys, it's only my opinion, remember. And as usual, have a great day, and that's all. See you. And see you tomorrow. Bye bye.